Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video of a video lecture series for the subject DLE. So, first we recall what we have studied in the last video. In the last video, we have studied the main difference between unsigned binary numbers and signed binary numbers, and how to deal with them, how to write them, and how to recognize or differentiate between unsigned and signed binary numbers. Today we will talk about, as you can see, today we'll talk about arithmetic addition. So as we all know that any addition, subtraction, any arithmetic operation comprises of numbers, and numbers are of two types, as we have discussed earlier, unsigned and signed. So first we will have a look on signed magnitude representation and how to add them, how to do arithmetic operation of them. So we know, in just a short recall, in signed magnitude representation, the number is represented in by two things. The first thing is sign bit, this one, and other is the magnitude of the number. Okay, so if the number is negative, the sign bit will be 1, and if the number is positive, the sign bit will be 0, and we do not care of these bits. These can be any of zeros or ones in the magnitude. Okay, so if we want to add two signed numbers, so what we see in this operation, we see if they have the same sign bit, if they have the common, if both the number have common sign bit, like common sign means like minus or plus. So if they have common sign, then what we do, we just simply add the magnitude, this magnitude and this magnitude, we just add it and have an answer here. And for what happens to the sign bit, the sign bit will be same as of these original numbers. Okay, so but in the other case, second case, if we have one number with a minus sign and one with the plus sign, what will we do? Okay, first we take the magnitude and then we compare them. After that, we subtract the number with smaller magnitude with the number with having the larger magnitude. So, and we will subtract them, smaller, subtract smaller with the larger magnitude. We get the answer here. And what about the sign of this answer? The sign of this answer depends on the number with having larger magnitude. The sign of the number which has the largest magnitude among these numbers is the sign of this answer. Okay, just now I will elaborate it with the help of a little example here. So addition of two signed numbers with a signed magnitude representation. Here is an example. We have one number which is plus 25, plus 25, and the other number we have minus 37, let's say. Okay, so we have to add these both two numbers. So I have discussed in the previous slide that if two numbers have different signs, like in this example they both have different size, one sign, one has plus 25 and other is minus 37. So first of all, we compare 25 with 37 and determine which one is greater. Now you can see obviously 37 is greater than 25. So what we will do, we will subtract 25 with 37. Oh, sorry, 25 with 37. The answer we will get is 12, I think so. Yes, 12. And what about the sign of this answer? The sign of this answer is the sign of the number with the greater magnitude, which is 37. It is minus sign, so this 12 will be minus sign here. Now, in this way, in this fashion, we can add two signed numbers which are represented in sign magnitude representation. So this was the example for sign magnitude representation number. Now we will discuss about those numbers which are represented by complement representation. We will use in this slide. In the next slide, we will use the example with 2's complement. Okay, so if we do this sign magnitude representation numbers of sign numbers in computer arithmetic, as we have known that we have to make comparison between two numbers in order to know that which has the greatest magnitude. So we can add them after we get to know the number with the greatest magnitude. If we apply this in computer arithmetic, then it is necessary to have a compression, a comparator between those numbers. So in order to avoid this, we in computer arithmetic we add numbers, add sign numbers as a 2's complement. Okay, in a 2's complement representation, here we will discuss an example. We have two numbers, we have two 8-bit numbers. The first number we have here is 0000110. It is an 8-bit number. It represents 6, positive 6 in decimal form. And the other number here we have 0000 and 1, again 1 and 0 and 1101. So it represents in decimal represents 13. So if both these numbers are positive numbers, because they have 0 sign bit here like this, so what we will do, we will just add them normally, just normally add them. 1, it will be 1, it will be 0, 1101, it will be again 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1. So just adding them normally, both these numbers, if we add both of these numbers just in a normal fashion, we will get. So now just recall, just see this example we have done. We have two numbers which are in signed binary numbers which has positive sign. So one is +6, other is +13. So we just added them, their binary, and we get the answer which is equal to +19 in the decimal form. It is very easy and simple way. Now we will see that what will happen if we have any one of these numbers or both of these numbers is a negative number. Okay, we will try to solve that question now. Okay, so now we will try to solve this question. We will add two numbers. One number is we have positive of 13, and the other number we have is -6. So what we will do, so we have -6, so we take 2's complement of 6, which is -6. We have written -6 in 2's complement here, 6 in 2's complement. So we will just simply add them like we have did before. We will get 1, 1, 1, 0. It's 0, 0, 0, 0, and this one. Now we have 9 bits here, so we will discard this most significant bit because it was a carry, and we will discard. We will keep these 8 bits, which is equal to 7. Now if we solve this in normal mathematical decimal format, we will get the answer 7. 13 minus 6 is 7, but in the binary we are just adding these two numbers. Okay, we are getting the right answer because we have adding the 2's complement of 6, which is -6 in 13. Okay, we are getting the number 7. Now we will see what will happen if we have -13 and +6. What will happen there if we add -13 with +6? So till now we have discussed two addition. In the first addition we have discussed when both the numbers were positive. In the second addition we discussed that one number is negative and other is positive, which was -6 and +13. Now here are the two more possible addition with two numbers, sign numbers. One is with +6 here and -13 here. Now it is written binary of +6, and this is the binary of 13, which is in 2's complement, because we want to add 6 plus 6 and -13. So we will take 2's complement of 13 and we will just simply add in 6 in order to solve for addition. So after doing addition, normal addition, we will get this answer, which is equal to the answer of addition of plus 6 and minus 13. Now this answer is equal to minus 7 in decimal format. How we know that? We take this number. Okay, this is a 2's complement. As we know, the greater number was minus 13, so this number is in 2's complement. We will just again take 2's complement of this number. We will just take complement and add 1 here. 1 is added in this number. The number becomes like this. This number is 7 in 8 bits. Okay, so if this is 7, then this number should be minus 7. Like the same addition we do in this case here on the right side. Here we have two numbers, both are negative. So we both, in order to add these two negative numbers, we have to first take 2's complement of both of these numbers. We just take 2's complement of 6 and 13. We just added them. We get this answer. We get a carry bit. So we will discard this bit because our answer was exceeding our limit, and this number is equal to minus 19. Hence, now we will conclude our lecture today. In computer arithmetic, if we want to add or subtract a number, we will just, in addition, we do not need to do anything. We just add two numbers. Okay. The problem is in subtraction. When there is subtraction, so we will take 2's complement of the number which is being subtracted from the other number, and just add the first number and the 2's complement of the number which is being subtracted. We just add these two numbers and get the answer. So I hope you have understand this concept, and inshallah, I hope you will keep up with me. Just subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Hit the like button, hit the notification button, so you get update whenever I will post a new video. Allah Hafiz.